Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Bagunara. Good evening to everyone. Bagunara, Emi Chestunaru. I hope you are having manchi at your home. Hello, hi, namaste, sat sri akal, kem cho, kedwale. How you guys doing? Having fun? Chilling at your home? Sleeping? You had your lunch, completed sleep, ready for the class? Sir, your name? My name is Vishal Sharma. Hi, good evening to all. Those who are at home, I'm also fumbling. Hi, sir. Ella Enaru, Bagunara, Kuncham, I also know. Tell your Insta ID. That is your homework. You have to find that. Why, sir, why does classes start late? Because of the timetable. Whatever the timetable is given, at that time class will start now. Sir, your teaching is very good, sir. Thank you. Sir, give us match updates. I don't know. You are having mobile, you can check. This is the problem with the students. They know each and everything. They intentionally ask teacher these kind of questions. I don't see IPL matches, actually. Okay. Somebody have asked some question or I forgot to answer. Kya tha wo? What was the question that? Yes, sir. Sir, is there any exam tomorrow, sir? Yes, beta, definitely there will be exam if you are studying. Insta ID. Oh, somebody is asking. That is your homework. For you, homework is to find my Insta ID. Sir, you are married or not? Then you'll get to know once you'll find my Insta ID. That is also homework for you. And this question is coming in the NEET. Sir, come for us from Monday. Don't go. Again, that is not in my hand. You'll get the trailer of every teacher. And you must see your teachers, those who are going to teach you directly or indirectly. Good evening. Someone are saying good evening right now. Less member have joined because you guys have not seen the timetable, I think. That is why. Good evening. Chalo. So this much random talks, I think, is enough. This much fun is enough for you. Let's start the class. So yesterday, I think, have I given some homework? This is my problem. Actually, I have given, I think, homework. Just tell me. Twaraga, tell me. Yes. And what was the homework? Kuncho, I remember. I have taught you guys definite integration, right? In which limits are there. So you guys have understood how to solve the question based upon the limits. Limits you guys understood. And it is very, very important from NEET point of view. It is very, very important. It is actually required there in NEET. So let's just start, or let's have a quick overview. By the way, I think, do you guys require overview? This is the overview. Somebody is answering my Insta ID in the chat box, but I just saw my name. I will not say. I don't understand you guys. If I give a homework, you guys will not solve. The problem is that this is the most difficult task for you guys to find this thing, and you guys are immediately finding this. This is the real wonder that a teacher is having. Let's say if I give a homework, you'll say, sir, oh, we don't understand this and that, falana thing, and out of syllabus question is coming, which is not coming in the NEET, and might be, by the way. So what is my Insta ID, whether I'm married or not, that you will find. चल ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So what I've taught yesterday, it is something like this x square dx, very basic first question, and here was some limit 1 to 2. Those, I don't think so any new joining is here. Everyone was there in the yesterday's class. Once again I'm repeating, first step is to find the integration of x square. The x square of integration will be what? X cube divided by 3, and the limit will be from where to where? 1 to 2. So the answer will be 2 cube minus 1 cube divided by 3. So what will be the answer? 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, minus 1 divided by 3. The concept was very simple. So concept was very simple. You need to just put this value in the variable. The variable was x, so it become 2 cube minus 1 cube divided by 3. So answer is very simple. Can someone just type the first question? What is the homework? I exactly don't remember. I think it was in terms of t, and I said the same kind of question will be required in the physics somewhere at some point of time. तो कुछ ऐसा था क्वेश्चन क्या? Integration of, can somebody tell me? Can somebody type in the chat box exact if you want? T plus 3. Have I given this question? T plus 3. I don't think so. T plus 3 is so very easy. Have I given T plus 3? So ठीक है. If you guys are saying T plus 3, I will ask. अच्छा, I think the question was something like this. Integration of v dt if v is equal to, the question was find v dt in if v is 3, t plus 3. What is t plus 3? V is equal to t plus 3, and t is varying from, I think, 0 to t is equal to 2. Okay, it's okay. Now solve this question. Very good. Everyone fill the chat box with your answer, so that random members who are answering anything absurd things, I don't want to see their message. Fill the chat box with the correct answer. Twarga. Very good. So many answers are coming. 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8. Everyone 8. Somebody saying 4 in the middle of 8. Very good. Very good. So very easy. It is also the practical kind of questions. This integration is basically required there. So its answer will come out to be like this. V will be t plus 3 into dt, and the limit will be from 0 to t. Again, the first step I have taught you. एक और आंसर 2 minus t plus t square 0 to 3. एक और question था 2 minus t plus t square and limit 0 to 3. Somebody has. Next question is like this. ठीक है, I will write it. Okay, so the integration of first step, what is the integration of t? Integration of t will be what? T square by 2 plus what is the integration of 3? If you guys are confused, again I am writing in a detailed manner so that you guys are new, and obviously in the beginning sometime you guys can stuck. So at basic level we write it like this, 3 dt, and limit is again from 0 to 2. So then when you will integrate it, so the answer will comes out to be, what is the integration of t? Everyone, to it will be t square divided by 2, right? And you will write here a bracket in which limit will be 0 to 2 plus 3 into what is the integration of dt. You know that constant will come out. Integration of dt will be t, and limit will be 0 to 2. So what is the answer you will get? 1 by 2 into 2 square minus 0 square plus 3 into 2 minus 0. What is the answer you guys will get? So the answer will be 1 by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 3 into 2. Very good. Clap for yourself. 8 is the correct answer. Might be one day NEET is asking this question and you guys are ready to solve some VDT integration. There is some name for it. That a name I'm not telling. That name you will learn in when you will read the pure physics. I'm just telling the methodology. How to solve? That is solved with the help of integration. Very good. The next question I think was this. 2 minus t plus t square, limit was 0 to 2 minus t plus t square. Very good. So the next homework question was something like this. Question number 2. Integration of 2 minus t plus t square dt at limit will be 0 to 3. Little lengthy integration. Twarga Chapandi. Very good. Very good. Twarga, everyone, tell me the answer. Twarga. I hope everyone understood this previous. Those who have done that, the new question I have typed here. Very good. I am seeing so many answers. 21 by 2, 21 by 2, 10.5, 21 by 2. Same is, I have seen one answer. 21 by 2, 21 by 2, 21 by 2, 21 by 2, 21 by 2. Chat box is filled with 21 by 2. It means the answer is correct. So from here, what we can conclude that student have understood the concept. If the chat box is filled with the correct answer and lot of the teacher get lot of satisfaction that whatever I'm teaching is reaching to my student, lot of happiness. The more the chat box filled with the correct answers, more the happiness in the teacher's heart. Thank you for these type of messages in which you are answering very well. So if again, what is the integration of 2? Sir, first question answer is wrong. One member is saying first question answer is wrong. भाई क्या गलती है इसमें? मैंने भी t plus 3 t square by 2 3t 2 3 into 2. ठीक तो है यार, कुछ भी बोले जा रहा है. 8 is the correct answer. You are just breaking the momentum of the class. Some random message. I just cross verified it. It is correct. Okay, the second one is what? Integration of 2 will be what? Integration of 2 will be 2t. Forgot to take the limit 2. Right? I'm not doing it now the proper elaborative manner. Directly I'm writing. What is the integration of 2? It will be 2 into t. Then limit will be from where to where? 0 to 3. Right? Then minus. What is the integration of t? Integration of t will be t square divided by 2. Limit will be from where to where? 0 to 3. Plus t square integration will be what? T cube divided by 3. Then limit will be from where to where? 0 to 3. Next step will be what? Putting the limits. 2 into 3 minus 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 3 minus lower limit. I substituted instead of variable. Next, 1 by 2 into 3 square minus 0 square. Then what will be the answer? Plus of 3 cube minus 0 cube divided by 3. Yes or no? Next answer will be, so answer will be 2 3s are 6 minus 1 by 2. 3 square will be what? 9. 0 gone. 3 cube will be what? 27. 27 divided by 3 will be what? 9. So what is the answer I'll get? My maths is little bit weak. 9 plus 6, 15. Minus 9 by 2. So the answer will be 21 by 2. Very good. Clap for yourself. Again, you have got one more question. It is a more lengthier question. Now you are almost ready to solve all the questions of integration and physics, which is required to solve in the NEET. Right? Next question. Are you ready for the next question? Are you guys ready? YouTube people are not saying clapping. Your clap come after 2-3 seconds late. Clap, thumbs up, emoji, hearts, whatever you want to give. So the next question is something like this. Question kya hai? The symbol that I'm going to use in physics, we call it as a, shall I tell? I'm confused. Let's say there is a function f. F is force. We will study this in the physics. Let's say force is given by this formula. क्या पूछूं? 3 minus of x square plus of 2x Newton. No, unit I will not write. Let's say some variable is there. It is depending on it. You have to find the value of integration of f dx from x equal to 1 to x equal to 2. Twarga Rayandi, do it fast. Twarga. YouTube member, what you are saying so many things. Just focus on the question. Tell me the answer. Twarga. Tell me the answer of this question. Find the value of f dx from x is equal to 1 to 2. Tell me the answer. And this f dx is actually work done. 11th class work power energy chapter, you will study there. Integration is required. F dx, f is variable which is depending on x force. So don't worry, you will study it in detail. The terms. Right now I'm asking only you to find f dx. Twarga. One answer came 11 by 3. First answer from Sri Chandana. 11 by 3. YouTube member have started saying 5 by 3, 11 by 3. Very good, very good. Now I have 22 by 3. I have increased the little bit complexity because initial variable has not given 0. When initial variable is 0, it is quite easy. Very good, very good. Twarga, Twarga, Twarga Chapandi. Twarga Chapandi. So the answer will be this side 11 by 3, 11 by 3, 12 by 3, 11 by 3, 12 by 3, 11 by 3. Somebody was saying 22 by 3, mixed. Majority member are saying 11 by 3. So I am thinking the answer must be 11 by 3. 5 by 3 is also somebody saying. But I am not 100% sure until I will. 22 by 7 somebody is also saying. Very good, very good. It's okay. So what will be the answer? Integration of f dx will be given by this formula. Integration 3 minus x square plus 2x. Limit will be from 1 to 2 and dx. So what I'm gonna do? Will be like this. The integration of 3 will be what? Twarga Chapandi. The integration of 3 will be 3 into x and limit will be from 1 to 2, right? Next we'll be having minus integration of x square. What will be the integration of x square? It will be x cube divided by 3 and limit will be from where? 1 to 2 plus 2 into what is the integration of x? Integration of x will be x square divided by 2 and limit will be 1 to 2. 2 cancel. Next step is substitute the limits. Upper limit is what? 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into upper limit 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 square minus 1 square. Now let's see what is your final answer. 3 into 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 by 3 into 2 cube is what? 8. 8 minus 1, 7 plus 2 square 4 minus 1, that is 3. Next will be what? 3 minus 7 by 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 you can directly write 6. 6 minus 7 by 3. 6 minus 7 by 3. So what is the answer? LCM will be 3. So it will be 18 minus 7. Answer will be 11 by 3. Clap for yourself. Again, one more question. Answer you have got correct. Very good. Very good, everyone. I actually liked it. Very good. You guys have understood the concept. Now, the next thing that I'm going to ask, yes, once the college will start again these things, yes beta, because there the whole crowd will come. Here though not all the members have joined in online, right? So there I'm giving one more example. There we'll explain these things again and again, but not the, because topics different teacher will teach, right? ठीक है, in their respective campuses. Okay, the next question, you guys just focus on the questions. Next question you are having, again the real life problem, real life question I'm giving. Here the question is something like this, that is again will be utilized in solving the NEET question, sine t dt integration, and it is varying from 0 to pi by 2. You have to solve this integration. Solve this. Find the value of this. Find its value. Find integration of sine t dt. Limit is from 0 to pi by 2. So let's see whether you do without my help or not. Now new type of question have started. Toraga. Very good. What is the answer you'll get? 1 minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1. That is why these, whatever the answer you are saying, these options will always be. Why are you asking these many questions? Because these many questions you will solve in the physics. Whatever the question I'm asking, I'm not asking the maths question. These are the questions in which the calculation is required in physics. That is why I'm asking. The more you will practice, more you will remember, more good you will become in it. Right? 1 minus 1, 0. 3 options I'm getting. And if somebody is asking, obviously whenever D लिख दिया nota, none of the above. Infinity डाल देते हैं. Fourth one will put infinity. कुछ ना कुछ तो बनाना पड़ेगा ना. Okay, so now my turn. Very simple. The very first step, what you're gonna do is integration of sine is what? Integration of sine. Right in the chat box. Let's see. Integration of sine, what you say? Dekhna, some of the members again will tell incorrect. This is the problem. Topic is easy, but you guys forgot plus minus sign. Some are saying plus cos, some are saying minus cos. That's why I'm saying your answers are coming different. So integration of sine is minus cos. So answer is minus cos t. And then limit will be what? 0 to pi by 2. Do you guys know what is pi by 2? Pi by 2, guys, you guys know now it is 90 degree. Pi by 2 indirectly is 90 degree. Right? So what is the answer? Khatam. Minus of cos of pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2. Upper limit. Because variable is t. Only in t you will substitute. Minus cos of 0. Khatam. Tell me what is the value of cos 90. If you remember the value of cos 90, to solve these kind of questions you need a basic trigonometry chart that you have studied in 10th class. And we suppose, it's okay if you don't forgot, we will again tell the trick here, how to remember that, right? But if you remember, so it will be very easy for you to right now answer. So what is the value of cos pi by 2? Cos 90 value will be what? 0. Minus what is the value of cos 0? 1. So what is the answer we'll get? This is minus 1. This is minus plus. Answer will be 1. That is why the question looks very easy, but if you see the chat box is filled with the wrong answers. Majority member are saying 0, minus 1. Very few members have started saying 1 answer. Everyone got this 1 answer? First step, sine integration is what? minus cos. Minus I kept outside because it is not going to create the variable is t, cos t. That is why 0 to pi by 2. I substituted this pi by 2 in the angle. Cos pi by 2 upper limit minus lower limit. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90. Cos 90 value is 0 minus cos 0. 0 degree value is what? 1. So minus minus plus. Answer will be what? 1. This is the correct answer. That is why I am telling you, chances of mistake not in the above question, chances of mistake in the trigonometric functions, because you confuses between differentiation and integration. So remember one, either differentiation, integration will be reverse of that. Question number 2. अब ये भी solve कर ही लो. Cos of x dx. This time I have bring the variable x. I can write any variable. 0 to pi by 2. Solve it. Twarga everyone, solve it. Let's see whether you tell the answer or not. Twarga. Sir, do you repeat all when will come to the college? Yes, beta, don't worry, but at least listen here and answer here. So that is why try hard here also. Let's see, again same thing is happening. 0 and 1 answer is coming. 0 and 1 answer is coming. Sometime one answer is 116 divided by 3. Very good. ये है 116 divided by 3 is the topper. Minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. अब 0 वाला चले. देख, again I have told you na. I know that the question is again very easy. So if you don't practice this kind of question, you are going to do this kind of mistake, right? So what is the integration of cos? Integration of cos will be what? So that is why you should remember the basics. Cos integration will be what, beta? Minus sign or plus sign? Batao jaldi se. Type in the chat box. Cos integration will be what? Plus sign or minus sign? Plus sign or minus sign? Some are writing minus sign. Abhi bhi. Cos differentiation is minus sin x. Cos integration is plus sin x. Yaar, last class I have taught. Sin x. This is the integration of this. Then limit will be from where to where? 0 to pi divided by 2. Substitute. What is the answer we'll get? Sine of upper limit. Upper limit is what? Pi by 2. Minus sine of lower limit. 0. What is the value of sine pi by 2? Pi by 2 mane 90. 1. So it will be what? 1. Minus sine 0. 0. Answer is what? 1. That much easy it is. That much easy it is. See, what I am trying to tell you, those who are getting the wrong answer, please try to learn. The next question I will give. Now try to improvise yourself. Right? Are you ready? Are you ready? I want similar kind, the way you were giving the correct answer in the previous first 3 questions. I want from you guys. The questions are very small. Yaar, kunchus question and you are so much mistake here. Hai na? Plus minus mistake is happening. See how important it is. That is why the question is not difficult. Only problem, a little mistake you are doing. ठीक है, carelessness. Question is very easy. So next question is something like this. Question number 3. That is integration of. Are you ready? Seriously? Sine of 2t dt and limit will be from 0 to pi by 4. हाँ ठीक. Limit will be 0 to pi by 4. तो अर्गा careful, no hurry, careful, be careful. Question looking very easy, but I know that still mistake will happen. So be careful. Twarga 2. One answer came 2, 1 by 2, 1. I know that 0, 2, 1 by 2, 1, minus 1, plus 1, so many answers. I'm telling you, I know that in trigonometry you guys will do a lot of mistake, because here you need the tables value also. Sine cos value you should also know, but it's okay, will make you learn. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So YouTube members majority are saying minus 1 answer. Sir, they said college start 20 May, but we have CBSE second phase exam from 20 May to 1st July. But I can't answer this question. I don't have an answer of this question. I have an answer of this question. Management kind of questions I can't tell. I can only tell the answer regarding the subjects. When to start, when not to start, not in my hand. 1 by 2. Now the chat box is filled with 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1. 1 by root 2 also. 1 by 2. So many answers. 1 by 2, 0. Mixed answers. Right? So I have told you that be careful with it. The more lightly to that question you will take, that question will make you cry. So again, koi baat nahi. Let's see whose answer is correct. What answer is correct? Okay, so the very first step, the integration of sine plus cos or minus cos. Itna bata de yaar. First step. This is the third question of trigonometry I am doing with the help of integration. Plus cos or minus cos. Fill the chat box. Plus cos or minus cos. That I want to know. Plus cos or minus cos. At least first step should be correct. Plus koi nahi bolna chahiye. Minus cos. At least this thing you have learned for the first time. Sine integration will be minus cos. Okay, so first step, it will be minus of cos of 2t. Right? Minus of cos of 2t. But since this time here variable is t, but here variable is what? 2t. So you have to redifferentiate also. You have to redifferentiate also, and here you have to put the limit 0 to pi by 4, and in the denominator you have to redifferentiate because it is not t. Have I taught or not? Last class. So that is why this 2t will be again redifferentiated. Please keep this thing in your mind. So what is the answer? Somebody has forgot about it. That is why their answer came different. So answer will become minus cos of 2t. Limit will be 0 to pi by 4. What is the differentiation of 2t? Everyone tell me in the chat box, what is the differentiation of 2t? Small, kuncho things make big questions. What is the what is the differentiation of 2t? It is 2. So that is why divided by 2. Ab next step is of putting the limits. So how will you put the limit? The limit will be like this. Minus 1 by 2 outside into, let's start putting the limit in the variable cos of 2 as it is. In the angle 2 is there, so I will keep the 2. I will substitute this pi by 4 in place of t. So substitute 2 into pi by 4 minus cos of 2 into 0. That is why this 2 and this will cancel. This become 2, right? Then what is the answer you will get? Minus 1 by 2 into cos pi by 2. What is the value of cos pi by 2? Torga. What is the value of cos pi by 2? What is the value of cos pi by 2? It is 0. Minus, what is the value of cos 0? Minus 1. Minus plus, what is the answer? 1 by 2 is the correct answer. 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Clap for yourself, those who have got the correct answer, and those who have not got, they can also clap for yourself, that you will learn from this question now. See the process. Very, very important. See which step you were doing mistake. Some students were not taking 2. That is why their answer coming 1. Some students were not taking minus sign. That is why their answer was coming finally minus 1 by 2. Are you understanding or not? Shall I ask one more question? Are you ready? Okay. So the next question is something like this. Let's see. Have you guys learned from here or not? Shall I ask the next question? Are you guys ready for the next question? Are you guys ready for the next question? The next question is something like this. Find the integration of cos of pi by 2t dt and limit will be 0 to 1. Find the answer of this. Cos pi by 2 t dt limit will be 0 to 1. You will able to do, I know that. Now, or shall I ask in the same order the way I was asking the previous? ठीक है, यही ठीक है. त्वरगा चपंडी. 1 2 by pi minus 2 by pi 2 by pi 2 by pi 1 2 by pi 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 sine 2 by pi 2 by pi 2 by pi 2 by pi 2 by pi. So many members are answering 2 by pi. So high probability the answer is this 2 by pi. But some one member is continuously typing answer 4-5 times 1 with full confidence. 2 by pi. 2 by pi is the answer. I think. Let's see the answer is 2 by pi or not. So let's figure out. So the very first step, what is that? So what I recommend you guys for future, whenever this thing, I recommend you guys remember the differentiation. Differentiation of sine will be what? I'm again in the middle of the question bringing your concept back. Please remember the differentiation of sine. Differentiation of sine will be cos x and cos x will be minus sin x. Differentiation of sin x. Please remember it. Only this thing. And differentiation of cos x minus sin x, and this is cos x. Please remember these two things. Sine differentiation cos, cos differentiation minus sine. Integration will be reverse. So integration you will put here negative, you will put here positive. This is the way of remembering. Why student answer is coming lot of time correct and incorrect? Because of this plus minus sign. Sometimes they are taking plus, sometimes they are taking minus. So I recommend you guys please remember the differentiation. Integration is the bigger sister or big brother with whom your fight is there. The trick that I have taught. So let's start. What is the integration of cos? Cos will be plus sine. Sine pi by, in my brain, I tell you the truth, from my childhood days, from your age, I have remember like this. In my brain, I make the chart of differentiation and integration. Immediately, I think like that, opposite, reversing the signs. So the moment I am thinking about cos, I will think it's differentiation and then integration. So sine pi by 2t, khatam. And 0 to 1. But there is a problem. And what is that problem? The problem is angle. Angle is not matching. So you have to redifferentiate. Some of the members again forgot to redifferentiate. They just leave it here. Arey bhai, verify it na. Without verifying, why you are running forward to answer so fast? Here, answering first is not the winning a game. Answering question correctly on a time is the winning of a game. So differentiation of pi by 2 t. Bas game khatam. What you will get from here? Sine of pi by 2 t. Limit will be 0 to 1. And in the denominator, what you will get? What is the differentiation of sine? Sorry, pi by 2 t. T will be 1, pi by 2 constant. So answer is pi by 2 in the denominator. What will happen to this 2? It will go up. So it will become 2 divided by pi. In the bracket, limit will be what? Sine of pi by 2 into upside is 1, so this will be 1, upper limit, finished. Sine of pi by 2 into 0. What is the answer you will get? 2 by pi. What is the value of sine pi by 2? Sine 90 value beta. It is 1 minus 0. What is the final answer? 2 by pi. Lot of members have answered this 2 by pi. Clap for yourself. Again, clap for yourself. So this is it for integration. Whatever the question today I have taught, this is not the question from the math. These are the questions which you will solve somewhere in the physics at any chapter wherever integration is required. So once you are having these things clear in your mind, you will able to solve the numericals in physics. Not every time you will get, but whatever the chapter where integration and differentiation is required. So it's better we study in the beginning. So that is why at any point of time in physics it is coming, we will not study it again. Once we will study in the beginning, so that we are ready to solve the questions. Right? Now next you will be having application of integration. Next you will be having application of integration. Anybody? What is the application? Application of integration. Okay, so now listen. Before 300 years back, whatever the math that you are studying till 10th class, only that math was available for anyone, any elder one also. No PhD, no nothing like that were there 300-400 years back. Because up to 10th class you have studied to measure the areas of which kind of 2D bodies, like square, then after square who's there, rectangle, circle, right? There it is easy to measure their area. But what about those planar bodies which doesn't having this kind of shape, some random shapes? If somebody will ask find the area, some random shapes, then how will you find? So that is why this is the thing that Leibniz has invented to find the what? Area under the graph. So the use of integration, whatever we are studying, is this. Let's say this is y side, this is x side, and here let's say this is the curve, random shape, just looking like a snake again, right? Is there any formula? If somebody is asking in this curve from here, let's say here the value of x is x1, or let's say this is x initial point and this is the final point. Between these 2 points, what is the area it is covering? Can you find that area? Can you find that area? No, but there is a methodology. What is that methodology? That methodology is just like this. You will divide up what he thought. Let's say in this area, this smaller kind of, how many strips I can cut out? Infinite, so many strips I can cut out, right? So he thought, if I add all these strips, so many strips if I add, so I will get this total area. So this strip is what? This is your dx actually. This is your dx. This strip that you are having is your dx value. This is dx. So that is why, and the right now is height is what? Y. So if I write it like this, y dx, this is what? Length is height is y, like it will become what? A small rectangle has formed. So if a small rectangle has formed, this is dx and this height is y. What is the area of this? What is the area of this? Y dx. What is the area of this strip? So how many similar kind of strips I can generate here? Infinite. In all those strips, dx will be same. What is the thing that will be variable? Y. Everywhere your height will be different. Everywhere your height will be different. So that is why your y is variable. Your y is variable. Your y is what, beta? Variable. This height is variable, and this height is depending on whom? X. Like I taught, y is a function of x. Or like this, y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3. So your y is depending upon whose value? X value. So the height of y is depending upon what? Where your x is lying, where is your point? So that is why, what do you need? What do you need? You need a equation of y. You need equation of y. And that we have already studied. So basically, till so far, you were studying it like this. Y dx and x initial to x final. You were calling it as an integration, na? Beta, all of you were calling it as an integration, but in reality it is not integration. It is the area under y x graph. From where to where? From x initial to x final. So technically you are studying this y dx. We were calling it as integration, but in reality it is the area which is this curve is enclosing between, from where to where? This is the shaded area, white color area I have drawn by integrating it. So technically this is the importance of integration. So you will study somewhere where it is utilized. So I will ask one question from here also. Then we will wrap up the class. So the one question is something like this. Have you studied beta parabola last week? Have you studied the parabola? Please tell. Have you studied parabola last week? Do you know the equation of parabola? Very good, very good. So last week you have studied parabola. So what I'm going to do, I will ask a question based on it. So you might have studied this shape. You might have studied this shape. This shape is something like this. This is y, this is x, right? This is the equation you are having. So I will ask, find the area under the curve. Area under the curve given by y is equal to x square by square is like this, 3x square. Y is equal to 3x square. This is the equation. Find the area under the curve given by y is equal to 3x square from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. So indirectly what he is asking? This is your graph. This is your curve. Y is equal to 3x square. This is your actual curve. So what you have to find, its area. But from where to where you have to find area? Whole area? No. Limit is given. So here what is the value of x, beta? 0. Here somewhere what is the value of x? 1. Here what is the value? 2. Here what is the value? 3. Right? So from here to here, he is asking the area. Can I use here that, what method? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Length into breadth. Can I use that method here? No. Is it a triangle? No. It is some random shape. So for that, he is asking the area between whom and whom? From where to where? X is equal to 1. So if this is the x1, you will draw a vertical line. It means this is the point hitting the curve. This will be somewhat here. Between whatever this is your area. Will you able to calculate? So I am going to shade that area. This is the area that they are asking. Are you able to see? So It is not a straight line. It is not a straight line. Please mind that this is not a straight line. It is just a curve. And the curve is given by this parabola that you have studied. So whatever integration we have already studied, but we actually didn't know the use of it. That actually it is what calculating. Those were the graphs. Some random graph in mathematics. And limits were what? From where to where you want to find the area. So that is why it was designed at that point of time to find the area. So what is the area we will get here? Very simple. Area will be given by here integration of y dx, and limit will be from where to where? Limit will be from 1 to 3. So what is the value of y you are having? Y value I will substitute 3x square dx, right? Then 1 to 3. Next step, what I'm gonna do? Integration of x square. So that will be what? 3 into, what is the integration of x square? Integration of x square will be what? X cube divided by 3. And limit will be from where to where? 1 to 3. 3 cancel. Again I will substitute limit 3 cube minus 1 cube. What is the answer? 26 units. Your unit square or units, whatever the unit. Unit of area could be centimeter square, millimeter square, meter square, depending upon the unit. So here unit is not given. So this is the way of calculating the area, right? This much okay, or shall I discuss one more question? One more? Shall I ask? I'm thinking. Chal, theek hai. If you guys are insisting, from which part of the physics I will utilize it, that I'm thinking. Area. Current mein chale jaye? Current mein? Nahi. Somebody saying no, sir. Current mein nahi. We'll keep it easy. ठीक है भाई. Question number 2. Find the area enclosed by the curve. Area enclosed. By the way, they will not ask you area, but we need to calculate the area. That area will be equal to some value. Find the area enclosed by y is equal to x plus 3 between x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. Simple question. Why I am asking this area? Because this area will be equal to someone. Some variables will be there. Like this will become velocity and this will become time. I can also replace. Acha, wait. Real में पूछ लेते हैं. नहीं रहने दे. You will not able to relate it. Means the real question will be like this. I will change the variable. Y will become v. It will be t plus 3, and then t will be equals to 1 to 3. So that area you will calculate like v dt. So this is the area. This area will be equal to something that I can't teach right now, because until the real physics will not start, the real variable is this. That is why we are studying. So you can think, sir, why you are teaching in terms of y and x? To make your practice, so that you are convenient to find the areas, right? Twarga, tell the answer. So area means indirectly you have to do integration. Do the integration. You'll get the answer. Fill in the chat box, yaar. We have already studied it. Integration of y dx. Limit will be 1 to 3. Substitute the value, just a formality to do this question. X plus 3 dx, limit will be 1 to 3, right? What is the integration of x? X square divided by 2. Limit will be 0 to, sorry, 0 नहीं, तो 0 दिमाग में बैठा रहता है. 1 to 3 plus integration of 3 will be what? 3x, and it will be 1 to 3. So answer will be what? 3 square minus 1 square divided by 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 1. Answer will be what? 3 square. 9 minus 1, 8 divided by 2 plus 3 into 2. Answer will be what? 6 plus 4, that is 10 units. And it could be what? It could be centimeter square, meter square, depending upon the units. So I hope you guys have understood differentiation and integration. Majority portion of integration and differentiation, whatever required in physics, we have taught you. I have taught you, sorry. So I hope you have enjoyed having a great time with me. You have liked my classes, right? I tried my best, right? With a lot of energy, and congratulations for you guys also. You guys were also very enthusiastic. The way you guys have shown the enthusiasm by giving your answers, I really appreciate that. And it was a real energy for me when the chat box is filled with the students, so much comments, right? And positive comments. It always gives the energy to me to give the best in the class and to be energetic, motivated for the students. And hope we are meeting soon. Let's see when you will come here. Soon will your date will be announced when you will come here, right? So until then, have fun. So excited to meet you guys in the campus when you'll come back. Until then, have fun at your home, study your these classes, spend the time, right? Enjoy also, study also, and have a great time. Bye bye. Thank you very much. See you.